Students, welcome back to the chapter Metallurgy. In the previous module, we have studied the different methods of concentration of ores. Now, in this module, we'll be studying how to extract the crude metal from the concentrated ore. Extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore involves two steps. In the first step, we are converting ore into metal oxide, and in the next step, we are reducing that metal oxide into free metal. So now let us discuss conversion of ore into metal oxide. So this conversion of ore into metal oxide can be done into different methods. One is calcination and the next is roasting. So what is calcination? Here the question comes, what is calcination? Calcination is a process of conversion of concentrated ore into its metal oxide by heating in the absence of air or in the limited supply of air just below the melting point of metal. Usually, calcination is carried out in the reverberative furnace. So this is the experimental setup here we have. So this is the reverberative furnace, and the example for calcination is that is hydrated ores, oxide ores, hydroxide ores, or you can also use carbonate ores. Secondly, roasting is there. Roasting is nothing but the process of conversion of concentrated ore into its metal oxide by heating it strongly below its melting point in the excess of air. Even the roasting is also carried out in reverberative furnace. Examples, any sulfide ores can be taken in a roasting process. So there are some following examples. So, or you can consider these as reactions. These are the examples for roasting process. So for roasting process, you can employ any sulfide ore particles. We have taken here an example of zinc sulfide, lead sulfide, and cuprous sulfide. See, zinc sulfide, when it is heated in the presence of excess of air. See, since roasting is nothing but it is a process in which the concentrated ore is heated in the presence of excess of air just below the melting point of the metal. Now, what we are doing is that we are going to heat this zinc sulfide in the presence of air. So as soon as we heat zinc sulfide in the presence of air, we are going to get the zinc oxide. So this is a metal oxide, zinc oxide. Okay. Similarly, lead sulfide, when it is heated in the presence of oxygen, we are going to get the lead oxide. Lead is nothing but metal. Okay. O is nothing but oxygen. That is, once again, metal oxide is obtained. Similarly, when Cu2s is heated in the presence of air, we are going to get the cuprous oxide. So what actually the conclusion is that roasting is a process in which ore is completely heated in the presence of excess of air to get its respective metal oxide. So you can see that is zinc oxide, lead oxide, and cuprous oxide. So these are the metal oxides, and these are the reactions which are example for that is roasting process. Examples for roasting process. So we have one more term in the metallurgy, so that is flux. So you'll get a question for 1 mark, define flux or what is flux. Flux is a chemical substance which combines with impurities of ores to form slag. Okay. Flux is nothing but it's just a chemical substance which is going to combine with the impurities which are present with the ore, and that impurity and substance, that is nothing but chemical substance flux which combines to form a slag. So this is a small reaction is there. So this reaction, that is Gang plus flux, that is Gang is nothing but impurity. So when it combines with a particular chemical substance, it forms a slag. There are two types of flux. The one is acidic flux and the next is basic flux. If you want to remove the acidic impurity, you have to use basic flux. Or if you want to remove basic impurity, then you have to use acidic flux. So now let us consider some examples here. In the extraction of copper, FeO, that is iron oxide, is a basic impurity. See, I told you already, FeO is what? Basic impurity. If you want to remove basic impurity, then you need to add acidic flux. So here, which is the acidic flux? That is SiO2. See, this is SiO2 is there, no? It is a acidic flux. So by taking SiO2, you can remove the basic impurity, that is Gang, that is FeO. So FeO, when it combines with an SiO2, it forms a ferrous silicate. It is called a slag. That is Gang plus flux gives rise to slag. So in this example, or you can say in the extraction of iron, SiO2 is a acidic impurity. So if you want to remove or if you want to extract iron from its ore, so during that SiO2, silica is a acidic impurity. Though therefore, so we need to use that is a basic flux, that is calcium oxide. Why? Means because SiO2 is what? SiO2 is a acidic impurity. If you want to remove acidic impurity, then you have to use the basic flux. See, we have a reaction that is SiO2. Gang is nothing but what? Gang is nothing but impurity. It is an acidic impurity. If you want to remove acidic impurity, then you have to use basic flux. So here, which is the basic flux? Calcium oxide is a basic flux. When SiO2 combines with CaO, it forms CaSiO3. This is called as calcium silicate. Okay. Generally, it is called as slag. See, in the end of the module, let's have a small glance. So in this whole module, you can remember, or at least you have to remember, three important terms. One is roasting, calcination, and flux. Roasting in the sense, the process of heating concentrated ore in the presence of excess of air just below the melting point of the metal. Example, any sulfide ores. And calcination is nothing but the process in which the concentrated ore is heated in the absence of air or in the limited supply of air just below the melting point of the metal. Example, carbonate ores. And finally, one more important term, that is flux. So what is flux? Flux is a chemical substance which is used to remove the impurities which are present with the ore. Okay. Yes. Thank you.